Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope so that my all shining stars are fine at home. Okay, my dear class, today we are going to move a grammar work, and the grammar work is adverb of frequency. Adverb are the words that tell us that how something is happened and how it's going, and the frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. It happens daily, it happened weekly, sometime, anytime. So these words, sometime, anytime, always, often, these are the adverb of frequency, how an action is happening. For example, sometimes Neha takes a walk in the nearby park. So Neha takes a walk sometimes. So sometimes is adverb of frequency. I often meet my teacher on the road. So I often meet with my teacher. So often is adverb of frequency. And this page number 121, we have underlined the adverb of frequency. Always, mostly, even so, most, every year, again every year, nearly, most. So these are the adverb of frequency. On the next page, my dear student, adverb of duration. Duration mean how time does it take to complete that action, how long something takes or lasts, how something, if a task is going on, so what time this task take, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, half hour, a couple of seconds. So these are called adverb of duration. You have to write the definition of adverb of frequency and adverb of duration on your notebook, and other book work you have to done on your book. Identify the adverb of duration, and I identify, you also underline it. A week, for half an hour, a couple of seconds, 6 months. These underline words are called adverb of duration. Write a sentence with each of the following adverbs. I gave you example. First sentence is for 3 days and 3 nights. And how I start? I can't sleep for 3 days and 3 nights. These 3 sentences you have to make. Next, my dear class, circle the adverb of frequency. I underline these words, but you have to circle them properly. Occasionally, frequently, seldom, always, sometimes, usually. These are called adverb of frequency. Next, my dear class, another task related to this, underline the adverb of duration. Long time, for a second. Okay, these are the two, and here again for ages. These are called the adverb of duration. The last task of today, we have to complete these sentences using adverb of duration. First is for a second. Next is a long time, for the time. So you have to complete book work on your book. These 3 sentences you will do, and you have to write the definitions on your book, adverb of frequency and adverb of duration. Today your diary is learn book page 121 to 123 till here. Have a nice time, dears.